और इसी बीच आपको बता दें कि बीजेपी की ओर से एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है राहुल के नामांकन दाखिल करने को लेकर। आइए सुनते हैं क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं जीवीएल नरसिम्हा राव।
And his representative, lawyer by the same name Rahul Kaushik, he was not able to provide clarifications to the returning officer of Amethi constituency, who sought to know some details about the nomination papers filed by Mr. Rahul Gandhi on behalf of someone who has raised objections against Mr. Rahul Gandhi's nomination papers. The questions being raised in this letter, raising objections, are indeed very, very serious. And it is so stunning that Rahul Gandhi's legal representative does not have answers to these objections raised by the other candidates, and as a result, representative lawyer of Mr. Rahul Gandhi sought time for presenting his candidates' answers or his candidates' clarifications to these objections, and time has been provided until Monday morning, 22nd, 10:30 a.m. This time has been sought by Rahul Gandhi's representative and has been granted till Monday morning. I think it's a matter of great surprise that the questions that have been raised, in the objections that have been raised, could not be clarified by the Rahul Gandhi's representative. But we would certainly want Congress party to answer them in Delhi today. And we want Rahul Gandhi to answer these questions today. कांग्रेस पार्टी को, राहुल गांधी जी को इनका जवाब देना पड़ेगा। उनको एक संविधान संस्था, जो चुनावी आयोग एक संवैधानिक संस्था है, और रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर उनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव के रूप में काम करते हैं हर पार्लियामेंट्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में। और ये जो सवाल जो पूछे गए, इनका जवाब आज उनको देना पड़ेगा। इनमें सबसे चौंकाने वाली जो बात है, सबसे पहले मैं उसको उठाना चाहूंगा, यह है राहुल गांधी जी की नागरिकता को लेकर। यह सबसे पहला सवाल यह पूछा गया, क्या राहुल गांधी भारत के नागरिक हैं या नहीं? क्या राहुल गांधी किसी समय क्या ब्रिटिश सिटीजन बने या नहीं? क्योंकि ये डिक्लेरेशन, फॉल्स डिक्लेरेशन एज टू नेशनैलिटी, ये एक ऑब्जेक्शन है। क्योंकि 2004 के उनके इलेक्शन एफिडेविट में खुद राहुल गांधी जी ने कहा कि हम बैक ऑप्स लिमिटेड इस नाम के एक कंपनी में इन्होंने निवेश किया था, और 2005 के इस कंपनी के एनुअल रिटर्न्स जो वहां सबमिट हुए हैं यूनाइटेड किंगडम में, इस कंपनी के मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन, उनमें उनकी नेशनैलिटी, राहुल गांधी की नेशनैलिटी जी को, उनकी नागरिकता को ब्रिटिश सिटीजन कहा गया। जिस कंपनी में राहुल गांधी ने खुद निवेश किया, उसको माना 2004 में, उस कंपनी का नाम बैकऑप्स लिमिटेड है। उस कंपनी के डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो वहां ब्रिटिश सरकार के सामने जो सबमिट किए गए, उनमें राहुल गांधी जी के नाम एक ब्रिटिश नागरिक के तहत दिखाया गया। क्या सवाल यह है, क्या राहुल गांधी उस समय ब्रिटिश सिटीजन बने थे क्या? यदि ब्रिटिश सिटीजन वो बने थे, ये भारत के कानून के उल्लंघन है। इंडियन सिटीजन एक्ट के तहत कोई भी भारत के नागरिक किसी दूसरे देश के नागरिकता को स्वीकार करते हैं, ऑटोमेटिकली उनकी भारत नागरिकता चली जाती है। So we would want to ask Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the company in which you invested, and you refer to that company in 2004 election affidavit. The name of that company is Backops Limited. It is a company registered in London. It's a company in which you served as a director. And the official documents submitted by this company, Backops Limited, to the British authorities in the form of a memorandum of association and annual returns for the period ending 21/8/2005. So documents submitted to the British authorities in 2005 clearly showed that you were a citizen of United Kingdom. And if you were a citizen there in that period, you would have automatically lost Indian citizenship, because Indian Citizenship Act 1955 clearly states that any citizen of India acquiring citizenship of any other country automatically forfeits his citizenship of India. So we would like to ask Mr. Rahul Gandhi, were you indeed a citizen were you indeed a British citizen in 2005 or earlier and later? And would that not automatically make you a non-citizen? Would that not render you into a person of Indian origin only, not a citizen of India? And once you lose your citizenship status, you are not qualified to contest any election to either the state assembly or to Indian parliament. So Mr. Rahul Gandhi must come out clearly today and tell us about the real story of his citizenship. क्या आपने भारत के नागरिकता को स्वीकार करके, क्या भारत के संविधान के साथ, भारत के साथ क्या आपने धोखा दिया है? क्या आपने झूठ बोलकर चुनाव लड़े हैं? यदि ये सही है तो क्या ये आधार काफी नहीं है आपकी योग्यता को खत्म करने के लिए आज के चुनाव में? The second issue pertains to the educational qualifications of Mr. Rahul Gandhi. In different affidavits filed over different elections from 2004 to 2009 Parliament, 2014 Parliament, and now 2019 Parliament elections, there is a discrepancy in his, or there has been an attempt to suppress facts, and also there is some haziness about his qualifications and the years in which he claims to have acquired those qualifications. In 2004 election affidavit, Mr. Rahul Gandhi's qualifications given, he had only given 2 qualifications: a senior secondary school certificate in 1989. We all know that is a 12th standard certificate. And after this, he only mentioned MPhil, which he supposedly got from Trinity College, Cambridge University, in development economics in 1995. There was no reference to any other qualification in between. But in 2009 and 2014 affidavits, again there are discrepancies. In 2009, he said he has introduced yet another qualification in between, which is Bachelor of Arts from Rollins College, Florida in 1994, and MPhil in Development Economics from Trinity College in 95. This development economics, in the next election affidavit, 2014, this qualification becomes MPhil in development studies. Either he does not remember what he studied, or he does not have a paper to show what qualification he acquired, because qualifications do not change. You cannot claim to have a MPhil in one discipline and then suddenly change it to something else. So it is certainly, and in 2019 affidavit, this development studies remains, but the real question is, I have a question. 1994, you have a bachelor's degree, and 1995, you claim to have a master's MPhil degree. I don't know which university in the world gives an MPhil immediately after a graduate degree. Generally, there is a postgraduate degree required, and you seem to be such an extraordinary student that university seems to have, I think you should have been featured on the university's website for acquiring such qualifications. But that scholarliness doesn't seem to be exhibited anywhere. So I think these are the discrepancies in his educational qualifications.